It is week 4 of the mini braids challenge. Here on Simply Shev, I'm using mini braids to grow my natural hair long, healthy, and strong. And this is my week 4 update. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. It really means a lot to me. So in this video, I'm going to be doing my normal hair routine. As you know, I'm very consistent with my hair routine. I wash my hair every single week and then I follow it up with treating my scalp, treating the length of my hair, and literally just making sure my hair is okay for a whole other week where I do it all again for you, and I'm documenting that all on my channel. So in today's video, you're going to see me treating my scalp, you're going to see me treating the length of my hair, so you can watch along while I go through some of the polls that you've completed on my community tab. I want to thank you so much for completing those. It's really interactive. It lets me know what you're thinking. I'm going to be putting out lots more polls to just hear what you're thinking. If you have any questions at any time, you can pop them down below in the comments. Thank you so much. So one of the polls that I put out there was how many people are getting the notifications for these videos. Please try and go ahead and put the notification on. This is the results of those who've got it switched on. And if you switch on, you'll be able to get all my content as I post them. You'll be the first to be notified of that. So please do go ahead and switch on your notification bell. So the first poll I'm going to address is what style are you currently wearing? I've got 15% wearing an afro. I've got mini braids at 39%. Twist and then let me type where you gave me a variety of styles that you're wearing. So it looks like there's quite a lot of you out there wearing mini braids, and as you know, this channel is dedicated to that kind of content. I hope these videos are providing you with lots of information, but I have said over and over again, there's many different ways to grow your hair. Indeed, you can have healthy hair in an afro, so you don't have to put your hair away in mini braids like I'm doing. I've just found this method really easy for me to grow my natural hair. Mini twists are also great, so thank you so much to everyone who completed that poll. The next poll asks how much retention do you get in a year? Between 1 to 2 inches was 25%, 3 to 4 inches 55%, 5 to 6 inches was 14%, and over 7 inches was 6%. So retention is the way we see how long our hair gets. Our hair is always growing, but we retain length and keep it on in order to meet our goals such as shoulder length, armpit length, and mid-back length. And retention is really what we need to focus on. My growth is in line with the 3 to 4 inches of growth. Before mini braids, it was even less than that. So I'm really grateful for mini braids. I'm really excited, as you've seen in the challenge. I'm getting inches, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get lots of length retention by December, and that would really be retained. So I won't be losing it through breakage or anything like that. By keeping my hair in these long-term protective style, I'm seeing a real difference. So if you do that, you should see a great difference. Keeping your hair in long-term protective style, keeping your hands out of your hair, you will get the length retention. And with the length retention, we can meet our goals. Remember, I also use a lot of Aveda. I've got Aveda products coming up, so look out for that. So Aveda, such as henna, flaxseed, they'll all help me to build my hair strands and help me to keep the hair on my head. Next poll was about how long, what is your hair goal really? How long do you want to get your hair? What is the dream, you know? And this is a fantastic question to always assess yourself. Some of us don't really want long hair, but on this channel we're growing our natural hair long, and so I really wanted to know out there in the community, how long do you want to get your hair? I was very excited. Waist length, tailbone length, you know, mid-back length, and all the goals that I'm trying to reach here. So I'm really happy to know that, and I'm here to support you. We are going to get to those goals together. So I think before really, as you've seen, if you've not seen my video on, you know, my natural hair journey, where I've come from, I really never thought my hair would get beyond shoulder length. And believing is what visualizing your hair goals is a great way of getting there. But also doing the practices that you see me consistently doing. If you go back to the video, you will see I'm consistent every single week with my wash day when I feel like it, when I don't feel like it, and I make sure that my hair is protected. If I can't do with my mini braids, I don't always show that on my channel. I do protect my hair in another protective style over my protective style, and I'm getting great length, great growth. Remember, if this is not for you, tuck your hair away in a bun and just secure the ends of your hair, and you will really see a difference in the length retention of your hair. It is September. We do have quite a few months left to grow our natural hair out. So even today, set hair goals and believe you can. And with the help on this channel, we definitely will. These braids have only been in just under a month, and you can already see from what I've pulled there all the growth that I've received. Now, the key is to keep that on. And by keeping the mini braids in, I know I'm going to keep it on. I'm using virgin hair fertilizer. I'm also using my own aloe vera hair growth oil and other mixtures that I've made that will soon be available for sale that I'm using in between to grow my mini braids. You know, it's a consistent effort of trying different hair products, different DIY natural hair growth products to combine with growing my hair. I know my hair loves natural products, and so it's just a consistent effort every single week to get to my hair goals, and I'm laser fixed on that. You know, we've already gone through 9 months, so we're not going to stop now. We're really going to get to our hair goals. Just in time, as I'm applying virgin hair fertilizer, this poll question asks you if you've used virgin hair fertilizer before. It's 50-50. Remember, virgin hair fertilizer is by no means the only growth aid, and you can say I'm not even recommending it just for growth. I'm recommending virgin hair fertilizer for the benefits it gives me of minimizing dandruff on my dermatitis scalp. That's the main reason I use it, for the sulfur. There's many other growth aids that you can do just in your kitchen. You can mix oils together and you get fantastic growth. In fact, I've said to you before, if you did nothing, you kept your hair in mini braids and used all the products that you already have, you will see growth. It does give me a tad bit more growth, and with the consistency of keeping my hair in long-term protective style, I'm seeing a difference. I've got a virgin hair fertilizer playlist because I do know that you're very interested in that content, but never actually just rely on virgin hair fertilizer for hair growth. Have your practices for growing your natural hair consistent. Make sure that your scalp is clean. It will take effort on your part. Make sure that your ends is protected. Make sure that they're trimmed as necessary. That's saying that if there are split ends on your ends of your hair, you need to get rid of them or you will lose the progress. Also, if this is your first video seeing my hair, you're thinking, you know, my hair looks quite thin. You can see in my other videos when my hair is out that I've got a lot of thick hair there, and when it is in mini braids, it is compact. So my hair is growing out nicely. I'm very, very happy with the results of it. Once again, thank you so much everyone for filling in the polls, and by the time this video is up, there should be lots more polls for you to complete for me to be able to see what you're thinking, also to address some of your comments and concern, and to share lots more hair growth tips. Thank you so much for watching week 4. I just want to say quickly how I'm feeling week 4. I'm just in cruise mode now. Every week I've got my mindset that I've got another 8 weeks of getting through. Gonna continue washing my hair, continue looking after my scalp, and just keep this styling. I'm not redoing these braids except for the edges, and I'm ready to go. I'm looking forward to the next 8 weeks. Considering all the growth I've already received just 4 weeks in, I'm really excited. I hope you're excited to be on this challenge. It's not too late to join. You can join right now and start to grow your hair up for the next 3 or so months of the year. You can get fantastic growth from mini braids. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.